Judith Uchechukwu Muoghalu, better known as Judy Austin, is a plus-size Nollywood actress and Nigerian model. She is from Umoji, Idemili, North Anambra State. She was born on the 31st of December, the last of 3 children. She had always dreamt of being an artist and a model. She started off as a model at the age of 16 and wanted to be a singer before going into acting. Unfortunately, the music career didn't work out. Judith ventured into acting in 2013 when she met Sylvester Mado, who is also an actor and a director. She featured in a few movies like The Street Girl, Trouble Comes to Town, Where I Belong, Secret of Riches, and many more. With inspiration from her colleagues Ruth Kadiri and Chioma Okoye, Judith decided to shoot her first movie, Native Girl, in 2018, which was directed by Yul Edochie. She loves to speak and promote Igbo language and cultural values, which is showcased through her movies. On 27 April 2022, Nollywood actor Yul Edochie, son of Nollywood legend Pete Edochie, announced that he has welcomed a son with Judith and went ahead to describe her as his second wife.